कि khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Kadang kali kadang away nakajing bakraw tam bagi pajba nonglit nongwan kijuya kandu man kasngi bakane ka penbitar sisa ya ki brio ki bangat hakane ka apot kumta Sorkar jala klathmu basnano dagi skywalk lani kita ki lenti banya nasun ban Weng no ya kane kajing kane kadang karai blasim hakajing alang jo kanhun menteri Sorkar kablalong manta kasngi ka khandri tarik unai wing arjar pulai halor kajing jur palat kajing dang kali hapo kanang ba salong Hagbak Sorkar la thau ki lat klenti ben penbun ye ki jaka pening kali hagi benta ba pher jong kanong ba u menteri rang ba gajala konrat ke sangma habya kran ber ki lat pathai khubor hadin blawai ke jingalang ka kanhun menteri Sorkar ulaong baka Sorkar kan snano legi skywalk na Barik sadu khandai lat khnang ban la ban Weng no khandiat khansoi ya ga jing dang kali.
See, traffic has obviously been an issue that has been of concern to the citizens of Shillong. And obviously we have tried many steps, but there have been a lot of challenges. I will refrain from going into details because it will take a lot of time. But everything from parking at different levels or different locations by different individuals, stakeholders, buses, taxis. These are challenges that are there for us. Which then lead to further problems. Shifting them will require us to then give them options of moving them and telling them, well, you come there because because if you move them from there, then they'll ask where do we go. So everything has a problem. So therefore, we have to fix it by ensuring that we come up with solutions. Small bits in here and pieces there. So first thing, as I said, we realize is that we need to get the vehicles out from the streets. Park on the streets and put them in proper parking lots. So the procedure of starting off large number of parking lots has already started. You will see very soon that most probably by Christmas or by January, February, we will see that Watts Lake area will have a new parking lot, just to inform. So just behind the wall that is there and on the side of Taraghar, if you see there is earthwork going on, that's a parking lot that's coming out there. So we will not have the parking vehicles parked there anymore. We'll have them inside. We'll have all the other people who was the vendors, street vendors who are there will be inside. So we need to give space to everybody. Similarly, for example, within the town and secretariat area, already 2 locations have been identified where we're going to come up with parking lots. Multiple level parking lots. So now all those vehicles will not be, or at least most of them will not be in the streets anymore. So our streets will be quite free, and we hope that that will lead to some level of decongestion. At the same time, we are also expecting, and we are working on creating parking and waiting space for the taxis and for the buses. So whether it's Kindalat or Motran, you'll see the taxis wait for 1 hour, 45 minutes, half an hour till they have enough passengers, they don't leave. So buses are the same, and therefore just simply pushing them out may not be a long-term solution. Hence, we need to create an alternative space for them. So we're working on that, and we're expecting that also should fructify soon. At the same time, we are also ensuring that, like for schools, what we have done is that we have started to discourage people from going for personal vehicles. We are encouraging use of buses at different levels, and we would like to do that for even government officials also. So that is also another step that we plan to do. I had wanted to come up with a skywalk that is going to be from Barik Point to Police Bazaar, and that also was on the cards. Once we went into the implementation mode, we were told by the police department and others that once the construction work starts, it is going to lead to huge traffic congestion. Once the construction of this skywalks starts. So hence, until unless we are able to do other things, we should hold on to the work of the skywalks, which is what we have done right now. So we are waiting. Once the parking lots come up and we see that we're seeing some impact of that, then only we will go ahead with the skywalks.